Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 30th, 2025. It's the end of the day. Real windy day, so really wasn't able to shoot much. I wasn't able to shoot. I shot some video, but I don't think I'm going to include it outside. Lots of challenges besides the wind. So today, the first thing I did do was cut up the blocks that I needed, and I found that I made a mistake. I ordered 16-inch long blocks as opposed to the 18-inch long blocks. But fortunately I had a few 18-inch blocks out back, so I got those up and then cut up the blocks. But that didn't go easy. I had ordered a new masonry blade, got it delivered last night through Amazon. Nice blade, but the brass insert, there's a diamond insert to fit on the arbor of circular saws, and so that was missing. That wasn't in it. And my other masonry blades all got destroyed, as well as many of my fine woodworking, my metal cutoff blades. So many of my blades got destroyed when the roof collapsed. So I spent quite some time trying to find one of the diamonds that would fit around the arbor of the circular saw. But before that, I decided, well, I've got one of the abrasive blades that's made for concrete. It's about an 8-inch blade that I put on my angle grinder, and I started cutting that way, but it got to be too dangerous. It was getting wobbly. And when those things are spinning at such a high rate of speed, they can do a lot of damage. So I don't want to get hurt. So I suspended that. Then I went out and looked, and I did find a small diamond on one of the saws, and then that saw no longer works. So that was one of the ones that got wet. Then I found one of my other circular saws. That one did work. I got the masonry blade on that, and I was able to finish cutting up the blocks. So I got the blocks all cut, and it looks like it calmed down out there now. Let's take a walk. So I got the blocks cut, and then after lunch I went ahead and mixed up the Type S mortar and laid the blocks. Got them all level and plumb where they're supposed to be. And yeah, this one down here, it just wasn't done properly when it was originally when the builder who I hired to do this didn't do it very well, so I ended up pulling a lot out, doing a lot of extra fill down in there. But we've got that worked out, so that'll be okay. Got this section over here. Yeah, the winds have let up some. I am absolutely exhausted and dehydrated and sore. Oh boy. Got this section fixed here. Turned out okay. I have some repairs still to do. I'll do that after everything has a chance to cure here, set up. Got this corner all set. That's one of the blocks that was here before that I reused. I could see this one looks a little bit out of alignment here, and this is the last one that I did do. So there we go. So it turned out okay. It'll be strong. I still am going to fill in all the holes, put rebar in there as well, and then I've got to measure for all of my my anchors, my 5/8 inch anchors, that I'll be putting all 90 anchors around here, and that includes the 2 channels that I'll make. So hopefully tomorrow I'll get to measure out where these are going to go. One wall will come right even here. There'll be a double wall that goes this way here, goes right through where I knocked out that block there. I'll be bending those rebar to tie in, so the whole thing will be drilled rebar. You'll see that when I do it. Same thing on the other side over here as well. So the central part, I'll have my central part of the building back. My brother Dave, I went to his place yesterday and he loaned me his rebar bender here, and And it's a cutter too, so we'll see how everything works out. I'll have to measure things out, then start cutting and drilling, and then forming the forms as well. So short video today, folks. Things did work out, just tuckered out. And for now on, I'm going to get 60-pound bags instead of 80-pound bags. I'm just not that strong anymore. It strains me, even just picking up an 80-pound bag of Saccrete or you know, mortar mix or the concrete mix. But when I go to pour these forms here, I'll be using the mud mixer. So that should go a lot easier. Instead of mixing it up, mixing it in buckets like I did do, and then putting on the paddle board and then distributing it. So I guess that's about it for today's video, folks. I really appreciate you watching. If the winds are calm, I'll shoot some video when I'm out there tomorrow and all. I hope you folks stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.